Guangzhou Dragon Diamond Technology Company Limited, with its factory, is a professional manufacturer of industrial CNC equipment in Guangzhou, China, since 2012. We are specialized in CNC router, laser engraver, laser cutter, laser marker, fiber laser cutters, laser welder, 3D laser engraver, UV printer, plasma cutter, CNC letter bending machine, cutting plotter, with 20 series and 300 types. All of our products have knowable superior in supporting different clients with special demanding and personal services, executed by reliable quality and reasonable price. Besides, our products are widely used in marble, woodworking, furniture, advertising, exhibition, decorative, craft, electronic, building models, hardware mold, print and seal. Dragon Diamond products get favorable sales and success and outstanding reputation not only in China, but also popular in South America, Africa, Mid East, Southeast Asia, and Western Europe countries. We have obtained CE certificate with excellent performance and reliable quality. We have powerful R&D capability, and we work closely with several national patent applications, a number of quality knowledge achievements, and technical indicators at the international at the advanced level. Our target is the best products, competitive prices, comprehensive after-sales service for customers. We personally get to know each about customers, and we know how to discover the most valuable part about our business is Dragon Diamond to help others achieve their goals. We welcome worldwide distributors to contact us today.